So you want to become an artist, and that's fantastic because most people don't even know what they want to do in their life. But the thing is, you just can't get yourself to do the work. And let me tell you exactly how you draw. You turn on your music and start drawing or painting with your phone just beside you. You draw with absolute focus for 2 minutes. Don't take me wrong, I have been there. And still, I can just focus on my drawing for like 30 minutes straight. And also, sometimes you feel like you don't want to draw and you spend all your day looking at your phone. But you still want to draw, but you can't get yourself to do the work. Let me tell you why this happens to you. It happens to you because you have trashy mental health. Forget everything. Just focusing on your mental health will give you everything you want. Mental health will make you a great artist. Mental health will give you money. Anything you want in life. If you have your mental health right, you are already 50% way there. And that's a fact. To tell you the truth, my mental health isn't that great actually. I still struggle from anxiety and I have mild depression, but it's way better than it used to be. And now let's talk about exactly what you can do to improve your mental health. There are 4 things you need to focus on. So the first one is presence. Second one is gratitude. Third one is social connection. And fourth one is kindness. I will link a free mental health course down below, which will talk about these 4 things in much detail so that you can grasp the idea properly. And don't worry, I won't get any benefit from it. And this course is made by mental health professionals, so it will definitely help you to get started in your journey. And if you want to know more about how to practice properly, you can check my Skillshare class. Link will be in the description. And that was it. See you in the next video. Bye.